Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Raminmark, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer, Photoshop expert, and the founder of Raminhub and Raminmark. Today, we're diving into the top 5 beard trimmers of 2025. Whether you're aiming for a clean shave, a stylish stubble, or a full beard, we've got you covered. Let's get started. 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 Series. First up, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 Series. This all-in-one trimmer is a game-changer. With 23 pieces, it offers unparalleled versatility for trimming your beard, hair, and even body hair. The stainless steel blades are self-sharpening, ensuring long-lasting performance. Plus, it's fully washable, making cleanup a breeze. With up to 6 hours of runtime. It's perfect for those who travel frequently. 2. Braun All-in-One Trimmer Series 99440. This premium trimmer boasts a powerful motor and sharp blades, providing a precise trim every time. It comes with 13 attachments, allowing you to customize your grooming experience. The AutoSense technology adapts to your beard's thickness, ensuring consistent performance. It's also waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. 3. Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium Ion 2.0 Plus Slate Beard Trimmer. Third on our list is the Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium Ion 2.0 Plus Slate Beard Trimmer. Known for its durability and precision, this trimmer features self-sharpening blades and a powerful lithium-ion battery that provides up to 4 hours of runtime. It includes multiple attachments for trimming, detailing, and even nose and ear hair grooming. Its sleek design and robust build make it a favorite among professionals. 4. Panasonic MultiShape Modular Grooming Kit. Coming in at number 4 is the Panasonic MultiShape Modular Grooming Kit. This innovative system allows you to customize your grooming tools by attaching different heads for various needs, including beard trimming, shaving, and even oral care. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and the high-performance motor delivers consistent results. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a personalized grooming experience. 5. Bevel Pro All-in-One Trimmer. Last but not least, the Bevel Pro All-in-One Trimmer. Designed with precision and style in mind, this trimmer features a zero-gap adjustable blade, making it perfect for detailed grooming. Its cordless design and long battery life offer convenience, while the sleek, matte finish adds a touch of sophistication. Ideal for those who value both performance and aesthetics. And there you have it, the top 5 beard trimmers of 2025 in the USA. Each of these trimmers offers unique features to cater to different grooming needs. Remember, investing in a quality trimmer can make a significant difference in your grooming routine. If you're interested in any of these products, check out the affiliate links in the description below. Your support helps us continue to provide honest and detailed reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and happy grooming!